English version mathematics, class 5, chapter 1, number 11. Rakhi saved 950 taka per month. One which month he will be saving exist 50,000 taka. Answer will be ordinal number. He told what month will be exist 50,000. To find the number of month equal his specific saving goal divided by total target of amount saving per month divided 50,000 by 950 equal to 52.63. At that years 52 month Rakhi will be saved 950 into 52, then 49,400 taka, which is the 600 less than 50,000. That means at last 53 month he will be saved, then he can exist 50,000 taka. Then 950 plus 49,400 plus 950, 50,350 taka. So answer, Rakhi will be saving exist 50,000 taka in the 53rd month. Thank you.